Now, a deductive argument can fail or it can succeed. To succeed, it has to have two properties. First, it has to have what logicians call validity, and secondly, it has to have all true premises. So let me start with validity. I'm just going to give you a definition of the term, and then I'm going to give you a couple arguments to illustrate what it means. So here's a definition. I'm just going to read it to you. An argument is deductively valid if and only if, were all the premises true, the conclusion would have to be true. So it's valid if and only if, were all the premises true, the truth of those premises would guarantee the truth of the conclusion. Second definition, deductive soundness. An argument is deductively sound if and only if it is valid and all of its premises are true. So let's begin with validity. Here are two very simple arguments that will bring out what validity is in an argument. First premise, all persons are mortal. Second premise, Bernie Sanders is a person. Conclusion, Bernie Sanders, unfortunately, is mortal. We can represent the logic of that argument with a simple Venn diagram, right? So you put all the persons in the big circle, and you assert the first premise that everything in this circle has the property of being mortal. And the second premise just says Bernie Sanders is one of the things in this circle. So here's a simple example. Two premises. It's immoral to kill innocent human beings, except in self-defense. Second premise, human fetuses are innocent human beings. Conclusion, abortion is immoral, except in self-defense. Is that argument sound? Well, ask a prior question, is it valid? We can draw a Venn diagram, can't we? And it looks like the Venn diagram shows that the argument must be valid. That is, draw a circle and put everything, all the innocent human beings in there, and attribute to them the property, namely that it's immoral to kill those things, except in self-defense. And the second premise just asserts, right, and all human fetuses belong in that circle. But here's where it gets tricky. Somebody who's in favor of abortion in a wider range of cases is going to say, whatever we mean by the concept innocent human being in that premise, it excludes fetuses. I don't think that the moral status of innocent human beings in one sense of the term includes fetuses. So some philosophers, for example.
We're back in Wren Chapel to remind us that critical thinking is allowed even in church, and also because the room is available. We're here to talk about overconfidence, which is the second psychological